I'm going to be selling this slime or this slime, not this. Okay, guys. This is super exciting, but not that exciting. You have to go to my house. Yeah, I don't know how to deliver or drive because I'm still a kid. So why do I make videos? When I'm a kid, I had a YouTube channel all time, and I just realized when I was just 4, I said, I had a YouTube channel, and I said, whoa. When I grow up, I want to be an artist. No, I said, in school, I wanted to be a teacher, but I wanted to be everything except a doctor, an engineer, and like football. So guys, I'm going to sell this. Oh, but when you open it, sorry. But when you scroll, oh my god! And I also have a mini one.
Jean, nasaan si Mami? Lai, Lai, si Mami. Lai, ayaw sumagot eh. Lai. Nay? Ano yan, Nay? Ayaw sumagot nila tinatawag. Ikaw! Ba't dito nasagot, ha?
Sabi ko po,
Hindi, sabi niya. Oh, susumbong ka sa daddy mo. Sabi niya, oh. Ba't di ka nasagot? Hindi ako sinasagot niya. Oh, ikaw, ah. Pag tinutoyo ko, ano, ah. Ano yan, Nay? Liligo ba kayo? Liligo kayo? Ako maliligo. Maliligo muna. Wala pa, pang-uwi pa lang po. Sobra nga kay maliligo ako eh.
I wasn't doing anything. Please call 911.